Welcome to the first ever burping contest! Woo!
Let's meet our contestants.
Hi, my name is Spanky, and when I'm not burping, I like to get spanked.
Hi, my name is Alea. I love unicorns, butterflies, and more.
What the hell's a butterfly? A butterfly?
And my burps come from my butt.
That's gross. So are butterflies.
I'm Pinky! Pinky, Winky, Dinky, Dinky! Well, that's disturbing.
Let's start the burping contest. Number 1, come up.
Well, that was terrible. Contestant number 2.
That was amazing. Number 3, good luck.
Well, I think we found our winner, and it's number 2.
Yay! I can't believe I just won it. But I got one more